Okay, what do you think? Huh? Come on. What do you think? Oh, look at what's that?
What?
Look at. What's that up there? What is that?
Skeleton.
Whose skeleton is that?
Mine is hanging in my room.
That's yours? No, we gotta leave it at Bikini Joe's.
No, for me, it's hanging in my room.
Okay, what about this skeleton?
It's big.
Is it big?
Yeah.
Okay, what about, let's look over here. What do we have over here?
Turtle.
Oh, look at that turtle. Okay, whose boat's that?
Huh?
Whose boat? Up there?
Jojo.
Jojo. Is that, whose boat is that? Jojo's?
Molly, what's that?
What?
Juanita?
That's your Lita's. Your Lita's what?
Juanita?
Coca-Cola sign.
Hey, Mommy, Dad.
Whose is that? Hey, look it. Are these yours?
Huh?
Are these yours?
What? Hey, Mama. What? Yeah.
Where are those from?
Caramellos.
Calderillas?
Yep.
What else do you see from Calderillas? What about... Look over here. Oh, look at that girl.
Huh?
You like that girl?
Yeah. And then these guys. I like the reindeer.
The reindeer?
Put them up there.
Yeah, the
They're
reindeer.
high.
They're high. Okay, look at this shark head.
Hey, Jacket! Hey, Jacket! Daddy!
Oh, he'll be right back. Hey, whose skeleton was this one?
Huh?
Whose skeleton was this? Whose
Where?
that one? Who's that?
Where?
This guy. Whose was that?
Huh?
This skeleton right here. Come look. Whose is that one?
Huh?
Where'd you see that one at?
I don't know.
That was at Uncle Jack's.
Jack.
What do you think about it?
Cool, very cool.
It's very cool.
Yeah,
You like it?
yeah. It's ready, Mama?
It's almost ready, baby.